Guess all that I do
The population of Brasilia is 3 million.
was easy to use. So call my time, but you
Brazil population is 250 million people.
weren't really mine. Just something to do. Thought I never knew.
Brasilia, the capital of Brazil.